Hi, thanks for having me this morning. As you said, I care for three generations of men in my life. My dad has Alzheimer's, my husband has MS, and my son has intellectual disabilities. And National Caregivers Month is all about helping me help them. And that's why I'm so happy to have partnered with some great companies that offer products and services that do just that. Comfort Keepers has a website, comfortkeepers.com, that allows you to go on and take a free home care survey to see how much help you really could use, because when we're visiting our older relatives, they may be declining a little bit and you want to have those services in place immediately. And everybody wants to age in place right now. It's about independent living and not going into assisted living. So that's why Comfort Keepers could really help you. Now, one of the things that is a big concern to caregivers is what happens when I'm not around. VTech Careline phone system is a great phone system for elderly people. It has larger buttons, it has pre-programmed ones with photos of your loved ones, but it also has this great wearable pendant. You can make and receive calls right from this, so you don't have to leave someone in case of an emergency to get the phone. You can also have pre-programmed calls come in to remind you to take your medicine, to remember any doctor's appointments you have, which is really important to make sure that everything is going smoothly. Now, whether you have a child with intellectual disabilities or autism, or a senior who has a dementia or Alzheimer's, wandering is a key concern, especially if they have medical issues. AmberChildSafety.com is a great site that allows you to put in all of your loved ones' vital information, so if they do get lost or wander, emergency responders can help them immediately. Plus, it has geofencing so you know where they are, which gives you peace of mind. As a caregiver, it's really important to care for yourself and have products and services that allow you to have a little bit more peace of mind and be a better caregiver to everyone in your life. For more information, go to safetymom.com for these services and many more.